Applying eyeliner, eyelashes, and eyebrows can be very challenging. So in this video, I'll be going step by step on how to do these in the easiest way possible. And if you implement the tips that I share with you towards the end of the video, you're gonna learn how to do your eyebrows, eyeliner, and eyelashes perfectly. The star of the show today is the Deck of Scarlet Big Lash Energy Long and Strong Tinting Mascara. A big thank you to them for sponsoring us in today's video. But first, we're gonna start off with the eyebrows. So for eyebrows, you wanna start off with taking a spoolie and brushing up your eyebrow hairs. This will help the eyebrow hairs go in one direction so that when you are applying your eyebrow product, you know exactly where you're supposed to be placing it to kind of give you that natural fluffy eyebrow look. Then next, you wanna use an eyebrow pen. I like using eyebrow pens because they look much more natural and they just go really well with your eyebrow hairs. So I love this Milani Weekend Brow in the shade Espresso. So for the eyebrow products, you want to make sure that the shade is the same color as your natural eyebrow hairs so that they match. So the shade Espresso is perfect if you have brown eyebrow hairs. So after brushing up your eyebrows, you just want to look around your eyebrows and see where you're missing like those spaces and just kind of draw out natural eyebrow hairs. So I usually like starting from the bottom and just drawing natural eyebrow strokes where I'm lacking that eyebrow hair. So I like starting from the middle, going outwards before bringing it inwards because I like to see where I want to stop. So you want to start from the bottom and just draw it upwards. And I like to draw the eyebrow hairs in a slanted way because that is how my natural eyebrow hairs are. I'm not drawing them straight. I'm kind of just like slanting them so that they go with the flow of my natural eyebrows. So whenever you get to the bottom, you want to thin it out a little bit so that you can have that nice, sharp, thin look. And then after doing that, you want to go back in with the spoolie to brush up the eyebrow hairs as well. This will mix the product with your natural eyebrow hairs and will make it look really natural. It's also going to fade off the excess product. And then what I like to do is I like to bring the spoolie towards the inner portion and brush it up. This will take a little bit of that excess product and sort of apply it in the front part of your eyebrow hairs to kind of give it more of a natural look. You do not want to directly place the product right where the beginning of your eyebrows are. It's gonna give it more of a boxy look. So you just want to take the spoolie, get the product from the eyebrow hairs and just kind of like mix it in with the front of your eyebrow. Then once you do that, you can kind of see there's still a little bit of spacing around there. And that's when you want to take the eyebrow pen and draw out those natural eyebrows. You want to avoid coming like all the way out towards your nose bone, as this is going to give it more of a natural look. And next, I like to take the spoolie and brush it up. Then you want to do the exact same thing for this eyebrow. Now, if you end up drawing out your eyebrows and you kind of mess up a little bit, don't worry because you can always clean it up. And to clean it up, you want to use a thick, creamy concealer. So one that I really like is this NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It is perfect for cleaning up your eyebrows. Because it's a thick, creamy formula, it's going to give you much more control while cleaning up your eyebrow hairs. You want to avoid using liquid concealers to clean up your eyebrow hairs because they're really runny, so they can mess up your eyebrow hairs. It can go all over your eyebrow hairs, which you don't want. You want something thick because it's going to give you more control. Then next, you want to use a flat brush to clean up your eyebrow hairs. So the one that I really like is the Morphe M410 brush. I really like this brush because it's really flat and really sharp, so it's going to clean off my eyebrows. So what you want to do is take a little bit of that concealer and you want to clean it off in small sections. You don't want to go like this because you can mess up and it can be crooked. So you just want to go in small sections. Just cut it a little bit to give it more of that clean look. And you really want to take your time to do this. And then when you get towards the end of your eyebrows, you want to curve the brush and then clean off the bottom. So what you want to do is get rid of the excess product from the brush and then drag the concealer downwards towards your eyelid. This will get rid of the excess product and will make it look more natural. A common mistake we make when we're putting on lashes is failing to put on mascara. Mascara is really what helps hold up the lashes so that it looks natural. Sometimes when we fail to put on mascara, our eyelashes don't look natural and you can see the band. So putting on mascara really helps your lashes look more natural. So I'll be using the Deck of Scarlet Big Lash Energy Tinting Mascara. So this is a clean, growth enhancing mascara that helps to coat your lashes literally from the root to the tip, which allows you to coat every single lash. The reason why I really like Deck of Scarlet makeup products is because they're a clean beauty brand and all their products are 100% vegan and cruelty free. You guys know I've been into clean beauty brands because we have to be careful of what we're applying on our skin because certain chemicals can be absorbed into our bloodstream, which you don't want. And clean beauty products allows us to use makeup without having to be so cautious about the ingredients. The mascara also contains biotin, so that's gonna help stimulate your lash growth so your eyelashes can grow longer. And it also has provitamin B5, which helps to strengthen and helps to repair damaged lashes. I'll also be using their Mirror Glazed Highlighting Trio and a few other products that they sent to me, and a big thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. Alright, so next we're gonna do eyeliners. So for eyeliner, I would highly recommend a felt tip eyeliner pen such as this one by NYX Cosmetics. So this is the Epic Ink Liner. So a felt tip eyeliner pen is much more easier to use, especially if you're not used to doing eyeliner. I would highly recommend using a felt tip pen. So it gives you more control when you're applying it compared to just any liquid eyeliner. The most popular type of eyeliner is a winged eyeliner. You want to start by lining the inner lash line. So you want to go as close to your lashes as possible. And this is going to help fill in that gap between your eyelids and your eyes. So you want to take that liner and the line all the way until the end and stop right at the end. And then after doing that, you want to draw out your wing. I like to draw my wing out in a higher angle because it lifts your face versus you drawing it out like this. You want to lift the pen up like this, and at the very end of your eye, you want to drag it out as long as you want. So typically I would stop mine right where that creasing of my eye is, which is right here. I don't drag it all the way out here unless I'm doing a very dramatic eyeliner look. And then after that, you want to face forward and connect it to your eyelid. And I don't look down when I'm doing this. I like to face forward. I'm not squinting my eyes or anything like that. You don't want to squint your eyes, especially if you have hooded eyes, because it's going to give you an unrealistic look. If you apply the eyeliner and then you look up, it's going to be crooked. So you want to apply it exactly how you want it to look like in reality, which is faced forward. So I'm just going over my eyelids and connecting it. And then after doing that, you want to look down and fill it in. And if your eyeliner is not straight, don't worry. You can clean it up just as we cleaned up the eyebrows. So you want to take that same concealer and you want to take that same flat brush and you want to use that brush and just go over the top part or just like where you messed it up or where you feel like it's not straight, and just kind of clean it up to make it straight. All right, so next is eyelashes. So for eyelashes, you want to measure the lashes and make sure that they fit the size of your eyes. If you have smaller eyes, then you would have to cut the lashes more, and if you have bigger eyes, you might not have to cut the lashes. So today I'll be using the Ardell Demi Wispies. So to apply the lashes, you want to take the lashes close to the lash band but not touching the glue with the tweezer. The tweezer allows you to place the lashes on your eyelids better than your finger would. It would allow you to place them right on top of your natural eyelashes. So you want to cut one section at a time and keep measuring it and going back and forth. If you cut the lashes smaller than your eyes are, then it's going to look funny. So you definitely want to remember that less is more when cutting your eyelashes. So for lash glue, I like using the Duo Lash Glue in the shade Black. I like the black shade because it's more natural. So you want the lash glue to dry for about 30 seconds before you place the lashes on top of your lash hairs. And to apply it, you want to look down. You want to look down so that you place the lashes right on top of your natural lashes. If you look up, you'll be placing the lashes facing forward. You want the lashes to be nice and wispy, and in order to do that, you have to face down. Once you place the lashes on top of your natural lashes, you want to take the outer portion and press it onto your lash line, and then you want to take the inner corner and do the same thing. Then once you do that, I like to take the tweezer and just mend the natural lashes with the falsies together to create that nice seamless look between your natural lashes and the false eyelashes. As you can see, a really good mascara allows the application to be much easier because it really helps to grip the lashes and makes it look really natural. But if you find yourself struggling with applying eyeshadow, then you can't ignore this video right here. In this video, I break down why your eyeshadow is patchy and how to fix it in order for you to get a nice blended eyeshadow look every single time.
KLJ, welcome to a channel where it's poppin'.